Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is canopy folding collapsible utility wagon with all-terrain wheels. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐒𝐭𝐫 The wagon can be used as transport wagon, garden equipment wagon, beach wagon, shopping cart, camper, leisure vehicle, etc. Especially suitable for traveling with children and excursions. Robust durability, cars made of high-quality materials, fabric bags made of 600D double-layer Oxford woven fabrics. Placing of PVC pads, the frame is made of metal. Storage space, extra large storage room, with 2 net bags, 1 outer box and 4 side bags. Other items can be placed, for your needs on the way. The wagon consists of a few simple steps. Flap the very large wagon, the folded wagon fits easily into the trunk of your car. Size, fabric bag format, length 87 cm, width 49 cm, depth 27 cm. GR height 138 cm. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐒𝐭𝐫.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐒𝐭𝐫 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐒𝐭𝐫 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmonez12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.